Hello and good morning, dear students. In today's lecture of the subject Entrepreneurship Development, we will be revising both the concepts, that is, the concept of intrapreneur and netpreneur, in which we will go through meaning, features, definition of intrapreneur as well as netpreneur. So let's see the definition of intrapreneur. The great thinker Pinchot in 1985, he has defined intrapreneurs as dreamers who do, those who take responsibility for creating an innovation of any kind within an organization. See what this thinker has expressed and into this definition. Yes, he terms intrapreneur as dreamers. Okay, dreamers means this person whom we term as intrapreneur, he dreams. Okay, this person he do dreams. Okay, only dreaming is not the task of intrapreneur actually. Yes, he works on it. See, dreamers who do means what? Yes, he dreams and works on it. Okay, then those who take responsibility for creating an innovation of any kind within an organization. Okay, means what? Yes, these people, the specialized class of people who are a part of your organization. Okay, who are a part of your organization. What they do? Yes, they take responsibility. What is the responsibility which they take? To create innovation. Okay, innovation means what? New way, new method, new thing. Okay, something which is new, different than others. Okay, creating an innovation where within an organization. बघा, हा जो थिंकर आहे पिंचॉट, ओके, ह्या थिंकरने 1985मध्ये इंट्राप्रिनियरची डेफिनेशन दिलेली आहे. ओके, काय डेफिनेशन आहे ती? येस, इंट्राप्रिनियर्स आर ड्रीमर्स. ओके, ड्रीमर्स म्हणजे स्वप्न बघणारे. ओके, स्वप्न बघणारे. त्यांना आपण इंट्राप्रिनियर्सला त्यांनी काय म्हटलेलं आहे? ड्रीमर्स म्हटलेलं आहे. ओके, म्हणजे ही जी व्यक्ती आहे इंट्राप्रिनियर, येस, तो ड्रीमर असतो. म्हणजे काय? स्वप्न पाहणारा व्यक्ती असतो. ओके, आता नुसती स्वप्ने पाहणे, ओके, आणि सोडून देणे एवढं नसून ते, ओके, त्या स्वप्नांवरती वर्क करतात. ओके, जे पाहिलेले स्वप्न असतात त्यांनी, ते स्वप्न ॲक्च्युअलमध्ये कसे उतरतील, खरे होतील, यासाठी ते प्रयत्न करणारे व्यक्ती असतात. ओके, बघा, ही जी व्यक्ती आहे इंट्राप्रिनियर, ती रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेते आहे. ओके, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी म्हणजे जबाबदारी घेते आहे. कोणाची जबाबदारी घेते आहे किंवा कशाची जबाबदारी घेते आहे? तर ओके, काहीतरी नवीन, ओके, काहीतरी नवीन घडवायचं आहे, याची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, याची जबाबदारी ती व्यक्ती घेते आहे. ओके, आणि इनोव्हेशन किंवा नवीन गोष्ट कुठे घडवायची आहे? तर ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये काहीतरी नवीन घडवायचं आहे. ओके, काहीतरी नवीन तयार करायचं आहे, याची जबाबदारी हा व्यक्ती घेतो. ओके, स्वप्न पाहतो आणि ते स्वप्न कसं सत्यात उतरेल यासाठी तो प्रयत्न करतो. अशा व्यक्तीला काय म्हटलं आहे? तर इंट्राप्रिनियर असं म्हटलेलं आहे. येस, who is intrapreneur? Intrapreneur is a dreamer who brings the dream into actual. He takes the responsibility for creating an innovation, that is something new, where into the organization. Okay, getting it? Then The American Heritage Dictionary. The American Heritage Dictionary. It has defined intrapreneur as, yes, intrapreneur means a person. Intrapreneur means a person within a large corporation. Intrapreneur means a person within a large corporation who takes direct responsibility for turning an idea into a profitable finished product through assertive risk taking and innovation. So, when we consider the definition given by American Heritage Dictionary, okay, what it means, intrapreneur means, yes, how they have defined it, he is an individual or a person from large corporation. Okay, from a large corporation, this person is a, yes, who is he is a individual associated with large corporation, means he is a person from that large corporation, okay, who takes direct responsibility for turning an idea into a profitable finished product. Okay, see, this person, yes, he takes a responsibility. Okay, what is that responsibility for? Yes, turning an idea into a profitable finished product. Okay, turning an idea into a profitable finished product. Okay, through what? Through assertive risk taking and innovation. Through assertive risk taking and innovation. Okay, getting it? Means what he does? Yes, a different idea is turned into profitable finished good, okay, through positively risk taking and innovation whichever he adopts. Okay, सी means what? बघा, हा कोण आहे? इंट्राप्रिनियर म्हणजे तुमच्या कॉर्पोरेशनमधला एक व्यक्ती आहे. तुमच्या कॉर्पोरेशनमधला एक व्यक्ती आहे जो डायरेक्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेतो आहे. कोणती डायरेक्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आहे? येस, एखाद्या आयडियाला प्रॉफिटेबल फिनिश्ड प्रॉडक्टमध्ये पॉझिटिव्हली रिस्क टेकिंग अँड इनोव्हेशन थ्रू, ओके, प्रेझेंट करणारा हा व्यक्ती आहे, टर्न करणारा हा व्यक्ती आहे. ओके, ओव्हरऑल जेव्हा आपण इंट्राप्रिनियरचा विचार करतो, इंट्राप्रिनियर कोण असतो? तर ह्या दोन्ही डेफिनेशनचा एक समरी बघूया आपण. इंट्राप्रिनियर हा तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनचा इंडिव्हिज्युअल असतो आहे, एक एम्प्लॉई असतो. ओके, तो का करतो? येस, त्याच्याकडे इनोव्हेटिव्ह आयडियाज असतात, डिफरंट आयडियाज असतात. ओके, तो तुमचा एम्प्लॉई आहे, पण त्याच्याकडे इनोव्हेटिव्ह आयडिया असतात. तो एखाद्या प्रोजेक्टमध्ये, एखाद्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये पुटअप करतो, त्याच्या थ्रू फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट डेव्हलप करतो. ओके, आणि त्याच्या थ्रू तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनचं जे फ्युचर आहे ते ब्राईट करण्याचा तो प्रयत्न करतो. ओके, मीन्स हू इज अन इंट्राप्रिनियर? इंट्राप्रिनियर is a person, an individual from your organization who is your employee. He has a different idea into his mind. Okay, this different, that is innovative idea, he puts up into product, that is finished product. Okay, and through this finished product, that is the idea which he has put up into this finished product, yes, he tries to make the future of your organization bright or brighter. Okay, getting it? Now let's see the features of netpreneur. See, netpreneur, he performs duties. Okay, see, as intrapreneur, as intrapreneur, this person, he is your employee. Yes, this person, he is your employee. What he does? Yes, as an employee, many of the duties, they are assigned to him. Many of the duties, they are assigned to him. Okay, getting it? So, all the duties which are assigned to him, all the duties which are assigned to him, they are performed with responsibility. They are performed with responsibility from this person. Okay? Yes. Once again we will recall. Intrapreneur is a individual from your organization. He is your employee. He has different innovative ideas. He puts up into a product or project through which your organization, yes, can definitely have a bright future. Okay, so when we think about this person, yes, this person performs duties which are assigned to him. Then new brand, yes, intrapreneur is a new community of entrepreneur, okay, emerging into your organization. Okay, through their innovations and new ideas itself, they are flourishing now. Okay, then champions. Okay, see, these people, these entrepreneurs, they are termed as champions. Means what? See, as they have different idea, through that idea itself, okay, what happens is, yes, through that idea itself, yes, they can put those into reality, and your organization can mark its presence in the market. Okay, it can mark its presence in the market. Okay, so they are termed as champions. Means what they do? Yes, through their difference in the thinking, itself, okay, what they do is, yes, they put that into reality. Okay, and through that feature itself, okay, your organization may be highlighted, okay, and your organization will have a better position in the market. So they are termed as champions. See, then it is not for wealth but prestige. Okay, see, who are these people? Yes, he is just your employee. Yes, he has difference into his thinking. Okay, you provide him independency, autonomy. Okay, that person will surely, okay, mark his presence. Okay, see, he is not doing this for wealth. He is not doing this for wealth. But why he is doing that? For prestige. Yes, to create his identity, to mark his presence itself, he is doing this. Then dependent. On whom he is dependent? Yes, he is dependent upon entrepreneur. How? See, if the entrepreneur, he allows him some of the rights. If the entrepreneur allows him certain rights, grants him autonomy, then so if the entrepreneur doesn't allow him, okay, then he is not able to perform. He is not able to perform. Okay, getting it? So he is dependent upon entrepreneurs. Then expert knowledge. Okay, expert knowledge. What is expert knowledge? Yes, expert knowledge means, okay, this person, entrepreneur, he does has proficiency. He does has proficiency into his thoughts. Okay, he has proficiency, or he is excellent into technical knowledge. So he is having high level of knowledge in some of the fields. Okay, because unless until he has that high level knowledge, okay, you might have not hired that person into your organization, right? Okay, so he has that expert knowledge into this field in which he wants to do innovation. Then more efficient. Yes, whatsoever duty is assigned to him, whatsoever duty is assigned to him, yes, and the resources which are provided to him, the resources which are provided to him, okay, he utilizes it to maximum extent. He utilizes it optimally. He utilizes it optimally. Okay. Then key man. See, when we consider entrepreneur, his presence and absence matters. His presence and absence matters into the organization. His presence and absence matters, okay, in the organization. Okay, because as he introduces many of the changes, innovations in the organization, okay, usually this person has a high demand into the market of competitors. Okay, means if your competitor get to know about this person, okay, they can offer higher package to this person and try to divert that person towards their organization. Then outer directed. See, many of the time what happens, okay, as entrepreneur may be egoistic in nature, as entrepreneur might be egoistic in nature, okay, the entrepreneur, whenever he communicates his idea to entrepreneur, okay, he might not entertain this person. Okay, due to this, usually what the entrepreneur does, as he does not have any scope to express his views, okay, he might leave the organization of the entrepreneur. Then good communication, as he is your employee, okay, he does has good communication, he has good communication skills, okay, to communicate the ideas which he does has into his minds. ओके, बघा, हा जो इंट्राप्रिनियर आहे त्याचे आपण फीचर्स पाहतोय. ओके, तर हा इंट्राप्रिनियर जो आहे तर तो तुमचा एम्प्लॉई आहे. तो तुमचा एम्प्लॉई असल्यामुळे, ओके, तो तुमचा एम्प्लॉई असल्यामुळे त्याला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तुम्ही असाइन करता आणि ड्युटीजसुद्धा त्याला असाइन करता आणि तो ते सर्व दिलेले ड्युटीज छान प्रकारे परफॉर्म करतो. न्यू ब्रँड. ओके, नवीन कम्युनिटी आहे. एंट्राप्रिनियर्सच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये काम करणारा एम्प्लॉई. ओके, ज्याचे थॉट्स वेगळे आहेत. ओके, जो त्याच्या थॉट्स तुम्हाला कम्युनिकेट करतो आणि त्याच्या थ्रू तुमचं ऑर्गनायझेशन प्रोग्रेस होऊ शकतं. चॅम्पियन्स बघा, त्यांच्याकडे नवीन डिफरंट आयडियाज असतात. ओके, त्याच्या थ्रू काय होऊ शकतं तर ते जे तुम्हाला सल्ले देतात किंवा त्यांच्या सल्ल्या थ्रू जे प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट होतात, त्या प्रोजेक्ट थ्रू, त्या प्रोडक्ट थ्रू तुम्ही तुमच्या मार्केटमध्ये ओके तुमचं प्रेझेन्स मार्क करू शकता. ओके, याच्या थ्रू तुमच्या कॉम्पिटिटर्सला तुम्ही काय करू शकता, येस 100% तुम्ही त्यांना डिफीट करू शकता. ओके, कळतं आहे. नॉट फॉर वेल्थ बट प्रेस्टिज. ओके, हे जे व्यक्ती आहे एंट्राप्रिनियर, ओके, तो कुठल्याही प्रकारे संपत्ती मिळवण्यासाठी हे करत नाही आहे, तर त्याची एक आयडेंटिटी निर्माण व्हावी, त्याला एक सन्मान मिळावा यासाठी तो करतो आहे. तो डिपेंडंट आहे एंट्राप्रिनियर्सवरती. एंट्राप्रिनियर्स जे आहेत त्यांच्यावरती तो अवलंबून आहे. ओके, एंट्राप्रिनियर जो आहे त्याने समजा त्याला काही गोष्टी अलाव केल्या नाही तर तो ते करू शकत नाही, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट द ओनर ऑफ द ऑर्गनायझेशन. ओके, एक्सपर्ट नॉलेज, ज्यामध्ये तो इनोव्हेशन करतो आहे त्याच्यामध्ये तो मास्टर असतो, त्याच्यामध्ये त्याच्या प्रोफिशियन्सी किंवा एक्सलन्सी असते. मोर इफिशियंट, जेवढे त्याला रिसोर्सेस प्रोव्हाइड केले जातात ते रिसोर्सेस तो ऑप्टिममली युटिलाइज करतो, फुल्लेस्ट यूज करतो आणि फुल्लेस्ट युटिलायझेशन थ्रू ओके इनोव्हेटिव्ह थिंग सोसायटीच्या समोर आणतो. कीमॅन, त्याचा ॲब्सेन्स आणि प्रेझेन्स. ओके, त्या व्यक्तीचं ॲब्सेन्स आणि प्रेझेन्स दोन्हीसुद्धा कंपनीसाठी इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. ओके, कारण की त्याच्या ॲब्सेन्समध्ये तुमची कंपनी सिंक होऊ शकते, त्याच्या प्रेझेन्समध्ये तुमची कंपनी ओके फ्लरिश होऊ शकते, असा तो व्यक्ती असतो. आउटर डायरेक्टेड म्हणजे काय बघा, बऱ्याच वेळी काय होतं, एंट्राप्रिनियर हा इगोइस्टिक असतो. ओके, त्यामुळे एंट्राप्रिनियरने जे न्यू कन्सेप्ट किंवा न्यू थीम त्याला कम्युनिकेट करतो तो ओके, ते न्यू थीम किंवा न्यू आयडियाज प्रत्येक वेळी एंट्राप्रिनियर वेलकम करेलच नाही. बऱ्याच वेळी काय होतं, तो रिजेक्ट करतो आणि त्यामुळे काय होतं, एंट्राप्रिनियर हा स्विच ओव्हर करू शकतो. ओके, किंवा हा तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये खूप महत्त्वाचा व्यक्ती आहे हे जेव्हा तुमच्या कॉम्पिटिटरला कळतं, तो कॉम्पिटिटर काय करतो, ओके ह्या व्यक्तीला हायर पॅकेज ऑफर करून स्वतःच्या कंपनीकडे डायव्हर्ट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट, गुड कम्युनिकेशन. हा जो एंट्राप्रिनियर आहे त्याचं कम्युनिकेशन खूप छान असतं, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स असतात त्याच्यामध्ये. ओके, त्याच्या थ्रू तो काय करू शकतो, येस काहीही अचीव करू शकतो. ओके, सो विथ दिस वी कन्क्लूड टुडेज लेक्चर. थँक यू. So let's move towards the meaning of netpreneur. After seeing or after revising entrepreneur, okay, let's see what is netpreneur. See, netpreneur, the prefix which is added before preneur. Okay, another type of entrepreneur. Okay, see, net here means internet. Okay, net here means internet. Okay, a entrepreneur who operates using internet. Okay, he is included under the title netpreneur. So when we consider netpreneur, who is this person? Yes, a person a type of entrepreneur who operates his business using internet or digital network. This person is called as netpreneur. A netpreneur is an individual who generates income by using internet with his intellectual capital as the main input and the connectivity infrastructure at the as the only physical input. Okay, netpreneurship is the ability to run a business on the internet. It requires just the connectivity. See, a netpreneur, who is this person? Yes, he is an individual like an entrepreneur. Yes, see, like an entrepreneur, he generates income by using internet. By using internet. Okay, see, he makes use of what? He makes use of internet. Is it? He makes use of internet. Okay, and by using his mind, that is intellectual capital, as the main input and the connectivity infrastructure, that is through the digital network itself. Okay, he conducts his business. Okay, see, once again we will go through netpreneur. Netpreneur, who is this person? Yes, he is an individual. Okay, he is an individual like entrepreneur. Okay, now why he is doing this activity? Yes, through this he wants to generate income. Through this he wants to generate income. Okay, now when he generates income, okay, what is the source, okay, which is used by him? Yes, he uses internet. He uses internet. Okay, then he uses two types of inputs. First one is main input and the second one is physical input. Okay, what is the main input? Main input is his intellectual capital. Intellectual capital means what? His intelligence, his mind. Okay, he makes use of his mind. Okay, and what is the physical input which is used? Okay, the connectivity infrastructure, that is the internet. Okay, means by using only two things. By using only two things, okay, what he does? He generates income. What are these two things? First is, yes, his intellectual capital, that is his intelligence, and the second one is, yes, connectivity infrastructure. Connectivity infrastructure means what? Yes, the internet. Okay, by using these two things itself, yes, this individual generates income. Okay, then when we consider netpreneurship, okay, netpreneurship is the ability. Netpreneurship is the ability. Ability to what? Yes, ability to run a business. Yes, on internet. It requires just the connectivity. What it requires? Yes, connectivity is the main thing which is required. Okay, unless until there is connectivity, nothing can happen. Okay, बघा, नेटप्रिनियर कोण असतो? नेटप्रिनियर हा एक इंडिव्हिज्युअल आहे. ओके, एक पर्सन आहे. ओके, तो काय करतो? तर बघा, येस, जे काही तो एफर्ट्स घेतो आहे त्याच्या थ्रू, येस, तो इन्कम जनरेट करतो आहे. ओके, आणि ते एफर्ट्स कोणाच्या मदतीने, कोणाच्या सहाय्याने घेतो आहे? तर इंटरनेटच्या सहाय्याने. ओके, ह्या सर्व गोष्टींसाठी फक्त दोन इनपुट्सचा तो यूज करतो आहे. ओके, एका इनपुटला मेन इनपुट असं म्हणतात, दुसऱ्या इनपुटला फिजिकल इनपुट असं म्हणतात. म्हणजे दोन गोष्टींचा यूज करून तो इन्कम जनरेट करतो. ओके, हा जो एंटरप्रेन्योर आहे, हा जो इंडिव्हिज्युअल आहे, दोन गोष्टींचा यूज करून काय करतो आहे? दोन गोष्टींचा यूज करून तो, येस, शुअरली तो इन्कम जनरेट करतो. एक म्हणजे काय, तर त्याचं माइंड म्हणजेच त्याचं इंटेलिजन्स, त्याला इंटेलेक्च्युअल कॅपिटल म्हटलेलं आहे. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे काय, तर इंटरनेट, त्याचं कनेक्टिव्हिटी, जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर म्हणून त्याचा यूज होतो आहे. ओके, बघा हा जो नेटप्रिनियर आहे तो व्हर्च्युअली ऑपरेट करतो. म्हणजे कुठेही त्याचं ऑफिस किंवा अशा प्रकारची गोष्ट तुम्हाला दिसणार नाही. कुठेतरी शॉप आहे, कुठेतरी ग्रॉसरी शॉप आहे, कुठेतरी मोठीची मोठी बिल्डिंग आहे, असं काही त्याचं एक्झिस्टन्स नाही. ओके, इंटरनेटचं यूज करूनच तो त्याचा बिझनेस ऑपरेट करतो, त्याचा माइंड यूज करतो आणि नेटवर्क इंटरनेटचं यूज करतो. ह्या दोन गोष्टीचं कॉम्बिनेशन करून तो इन्कम जनरेट करत असतो. ओके, नेटप्रिनियरशिप जी आहे ती त्या एंटरप्रिनियरची, नेटप्रिनियरची ॲबिलिटी आहे. ओके, बिझनेस रन करण्याची. ओके, ज्याच्यामध्ये इंटरनेटचा उपयोग केला जातो आणि कनेक्टिव्हिटी लागते. ओके, let's see the definition given by Longman Dictionary. Okay, Longman Dictionary has defined netpreneur as someone who has started an internet business. Someone who has started internet business is called as netpreneur. Who is netpreneur? Netpreneur is someone who has started the business. Who has started the business. Okay, which business? Internet business. Okay, which business? Internet business. ओके, बघा हा जो नेटप्रिनियर आहे, येस, तो काय करतो, तर तो बिझनेस ऑपरेट करतो आहे. ओके, कसला बिझनेस? इंटरनेट बिझनेस. मीन्स ओके, समवन हू ऑपरेट्स हिज बिझनेस ओके थ्रू इंटरनेट इज कॉल्ड ॲज नेटप्रिनियर. मीन्स he earns by using internet. Okay, by trading on internet itself, this person earns. Okay, getting it? So this netpreneur, okay, for example Amazon, Snapdeal, okay, these are all the, yes, these are all the netpreneurs actually. Yes, what they do? Yes, they operate using digital network, isn't it? Okay, someone sells, someone purchases. Okay, the trading is done through internet itself, right? The trading is done through internet itself. Okay, such type of thing, such type of business, it is included under netpreneur. So someone who has started an internet business, yes, is included under netpreneur. Okay, getting it? So the person who operates a business using internet, who uses his intelligence to market whatsoever he wants to sell, okay, and also he uses internet, okay, is called as, what is called as, yes, netpreneur. Let's see the features of netpreneur. The first feature is internet. Okay, internet, what it means? Yes, this individual, what he does? Yes, he makes use of internet, to run his business. Okay, unless until he utilizes internet, okay, he can't be able to trade, he can't be able to sell whatsoever he is selling, okay, or whatsoever he has planned to sell. Okay, so internet is the main thing which he needs to sell. Okay, getting it? So, this person, this individual, yes, he initiates a business, okay, he incorporates a business, or he runs a business using internet as the base thing. Okay, if internet is available, then he can transact his business. If internet is not available, he can't transact his business. Okay, getting it? Then home workers. Yes, he is not required to have an office. Okay, necessary, this person is not required to have office. ओके, लार्ज ऑफिसेस आहेत, ओके, मोठमोठे ऑफिसेस आहेत, किंवा मोठे ऑफिसेस लागेल त्याला काम करण्यासाठी, असं नाही. ओके, घरातून सुद्धा तो काय करू शकतो, घरातून सुद्धा तो काम करू शकतो. त्यामुळे त्याला काय म्हटलं आहे, होमवर्क. ओके, बघा पहिलं फीचर जे आपण पाहिलेलं आहे ते म्हणजे काय, तर इंटरनेट. ओके, बघा जो इंडिव्हिज्युअल इंटरनेट थ्रू त्याचा बिझनेस ऑपरेट करतो, अशा इंडिव्हिज्युअलला नेटप्रिनियर असं म्हटलं जातं. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे होमवर्कर असतो. तो होमवर्कर म्हणजे काय, घरात बसून तो त्याचं काम करू शकतो. ओके, त्याला कुठल्याही ऑफिसची, मोठमोठ्या बिल्डिंग्सची किंवा शॉपची वगैरे गरज नसते. ओके, एके ठिकाणी घरी बसून, ओके, त्याच्या कम्प्युटरवरती, ओके, त्याच्या कम्प्युटरवरती, ओके, समजा इंटरनेट सपोर्ट करत असेल तर तो तिथून सुद्धा काम करू शकतो. सो ही माइट बी होम वर्कर. देन डिजिटल नेटवर्क. येस, he is in requirement of digital network. Okay, for example, see this Amazon, Snapdeal, isn't it? Then Flipkart, Myntra, okay, Meesho. What is the source of all these people? Means how do they operate their business? They operate internet business, right? Okay, through internet itself we can place the order, right? We can place the order. Okay, we can demand product, we can see the product. Is it for example, we do see is it like what we do into shop, same like that. Okay, what we can do is we can search for many of the product whichever we like, isn't it? Okay, see some of the sites, okay, some of the websites or some of the apps they do have. Okay, see some of them have specified their product, while some of them like Amazon and all, Flipkart and all, they do sell every product from a pin to pen. Okay, every product you can find on such type of internet, isn't it? Okay, so when you think that you should be a netpreneur, you require digital network. Then online services. Okay, online services. See, for example, okay, imagine if you want to do online shopping. Okay, what is the procedure adopted? Yes, what you do is you search for the products, isn't it? You search for the product. Okay, after that, if you want to compare, you can compare, isn't it? Or if you want to buy, what you can do is you can opt for buy now. After that, you fill up your information like address, your name, email and other things. Okay, then they provide you payment option. Okay, digital payment or cash on delivery, whichever is easier for you, isn't it? Then what you do? Yes, after that you move further, you do payment, digital payment if it is good for you, then, or if you think that it is feasible, then what you do is digital payment. or the other option is cash on delivery. Okay, whichever is easier for you, whichever is feasible for you. Okay, what you do is you opt for it, isn't it? Then what you do? Yes, this is the method, right? Okay, now see, if you track your order, okay, if you track your order, then you come to know the procedure. Okay, you come to know the procedure. Means first they confirm your order, then they pack your order, then out for delivery or shipped, then out for delivery. This is the actually the chronology which they provide you to whenever you track your order, isn't it? Okay, बघा, ऑनलाईन शॉपिंग जेव्हा करता तुम्ही तेव्हा ही सगळी प्रोसिजर करता. काय करता? तुम्ही ते प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट करता, बाय नाव करता. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर तुमचे डिटेल्स भरता. ओके, नंतर पेमेंट तुम्ही जर ऑनलाईन करणार असाल तर ऑनलाईन डिजिटल पेमेंटचे सोर्सेस ते देतात, किंवा नेट बँकिंग असेल, किंवा अजून एक गोष्ट म्हणजे कॅश ऑन डिलिव्हरीचं पण ऑप्शन तुम्हाला दिलेलं असतं त्यांनी. ओके, ही सगळी प्रोसिजर झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही तुमचं जे प्रोडक्ट आहे ते ट्रॅक करू शकता, बरोबर आहे. ओके, ट्रॅक केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला तिथं प्रोसिजर समजते. पहिलं म्हणजे ते कन्फर्म करतात, त्याच्यानंतर पॅक करतात, नंतर शिप होतं तुमचं ते. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर डिलिव्हरी, आउट फॉर डिलिव्हरी, अशा प्रकारे ते प्रोसिजर होते. ओके, एक 6 ते 7 दिवसाच्या कालावधीमध्ये तुमचं जे ऑर्डर केलेलं प्रोडक्ट आहे तो तुमच्या डोर स्टेपवरती येऊन ते देऊन जातात. ओके, बरोबर आहे. सो ऑनलाईन सर्व्हिसेस जेव्हा आपण विचार करतो, अशाच प्रकारे हे जे इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स आहेत, नेटप्रिनियर ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, ओके, ते काय करतो तो? येस, बाय युझिंग इंटरनेट इटसेल्फ ही कॉन्टॅक्ट्स यू. ओके, अँड बाय युझिंग वेरियस मोड्स, ओके, ही डिलिव्हर्स यू द प्रोडक्ट. ओके, the product of 21st century. See, in this fast century actually, what happens is, see, some of the people, yes, they work in MNCs, or whenever we consider the official times, okay, or office working hours nowadays, okay, it is 9 to 9 or such kind of thing. Okay, now in this schedule people don't find, or they don't have time to do physical shopping. Means they will visit any shop and then they will select the product and all. Okay, so what they do is they opt for this net business and all. Is it? Means with a click itself they can, yes, explore variety of products, and whatsoever they need they can purchase it. Okay, so this is a product of 21st century. Then flexible in the sense the netpreneur is very flexible. He can adopt the changes easily. Okay, because he doesn't need to open or close the shop. Okay, so he is flexible in nature. Then collaborative. Okay, see, at a time he can operate into different product lines. Okay, so in 2 or 3 product line he can deal. Then quick dissemination and niche marketing. Okay, see, if they want to switch over to another product they can, or if they think that, okay, there are some less focused products, okay, on this product they can focus and they can engage themselves into marketing. Niche marketing means what? Niche marketing means less attentive products or ignored products. Actually, this netpreneurs, what they do, they focus on some products which are ignored by other shopkeepers or other entrepreneurs. Okay, so these are the features of Netpreneur actually. With this, I conclude today's lecture. Thank you.